Well, hello folks, it's Mike here over at Mr. Cast Iron, where our goal is to help the curious beginners and the novice cooks overcome their fear of cooking in cast iron. And today what we're cooking is cast iron fajitas. We got some leftover chicken breast and some leftover vegetables we're going to be cooking and frying up here, so let's get started. You ready? Let's go, because I am. Man, I'm hungry. How about you? Well, alright, our cast of characters are pretty simple today. We've got some leftover chicken breast that we've had in the refrigerator we need to cook up, so why not make some fajitas out of that? I've got some stir-fried vegetables here too. If you're not stir-frying vegetables, if you're not cutting them up and freezing them for when you need them, why not? I mean, they just come in so handy when you got them cut up in the bag. It just saves you so much time. We're going to add a little chili powder to this, a little paprika. Also going to add a little cumin, a little ground cumin, some minced garlic. Going to add a little garlic powder to the mix too, and also a little salt and pepper. So let's go ahead. We've got our cast iron skillet heating up. We've got about 2 tablespoons of bacon grease in here. If you're not using bacon grease, I don't know why not, because that's got the best flavoring. So let's go ahead and let's get our vegetables in here and start sauteing them down. Are you ready? Well, all right, we've got our cast iron skillet with some 2 tablespoons or so of bacon grease in it, and we get the rest of our veggies in here. Got our stir fry mix of onion, bell pepper, and zucchini. And so we're going to go ahead and let these cook down real good, and then I've got my chicken breast over here already cut up into slices. Got just small slices here we're going to do. Get that fixed up, and we'll be back here in just a minute to show you what this looks like. Well, these vegetables are cooking nice. I mean, they're cooking down just about right. So let's go ahead and get our chicken in there, and we'll add every bit of that. Get that in there and kind of give that a quick mix. Just kind of incorporate these together. And while we're doing that, we're going to go ahead and add just about a tablespoon of chili powder. Maybe 2 tablespoons of chili powder. And we're going to add approximately a tablespoon of ground cumin. That ought to be plenty. And I want to put about a tablespoon of paprika. About a tablespoon of garlic powder, maybe a little less. And we're going to add a little black pepper to it. Probably about a tablespoon of that as well. Kind of like them even mixtures of 1 tablespoon, don't you guys? It's easier to remember. And we'll add about a tablespoon of some good sea salt. And I forgot to get a spoon out, but I need about a tablespoon of minced garlic as well. Juice and all. I like to add my garlic a little bit later in there, because if you're not careful, sometimes garlic will burn. So now that we've got all that put together, let's just kind of give this a quick stir here. Oh man, that's smelling so good. It's gonna be so good. Alright. Boy, that looks so good. That is going to be so good. So while that's continuing to cook, we'll go ahead and put a lid on it and let it steam down a little bit. And while we've got a lid on it, we'll let our tortillas warm up. How about that? So we'll let these steam down for just a little bit. We'll be back here in just a minute and show you what these look like. All right, well, we've let these tortillas warm up, and The only thing that I didn't tell you about is I had about 4 pieces of bacon left over from this morning's breakfast, and so I kind of just rough chopped the bacon up and put it in here with our chicken fajitas. So we're going to get a little bit of this put onto a tortilla here, and we're going to make a fajita burrito here. And let me show you how I do this. Now, once I put this in the burrito like this, or in the tortilla, I basically pull the sides over and just roll that baby up just like that right there. And so there is a fajita burrito for Cinco de Mayo. And so that's how you roll up a fajita burrito. And folks, if you've enjoyed this, please hit the like button, and we'll be coming back to you again with another good recipe. Y'all have a great day. It's Mike and Mrs. Cast Iron over here. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.